Guys, welcome back to another video of Kuroji Gaming. I'm still working on the 2008 Ford Taurus. Let me show you what I'm at. I'm gonna do the spark plugs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So you just take those out. I think they're 8mm. Same thing. To get to that point where you can actually see them, I had to take off the intake housing. So it's pretty simple. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Those bolts need to come out. Okay, and then also underneath there's this bolt that goes right here. It's right underneath the intake, right underneath the butterfly. See? And it goes right where that hole is, right down right there. Right there. That one. And you unclip this one, so you push it, and that way you don't have to cut this or anything, you know. Because if you unplug it from here, it's still you're gonna have to cut this. You don't want to do that, so unplug it from there, and it hooks up right there. And then also these two, 1, 2, and it's that one. And where's the other one? Right there, that one. I'm gonna change the thermostat right now, so I had to take out the intake. And that's pretty much it. Just cover these up because you don't want anything to fall in there. Don't want that for sure. And there was one plug. This one hooks up to the intake. Yeah, and I think that's pretty much it. Pretty easy, simple. You just got to take this off so that you can get to these because they're right under it. Oh, and another thing is these lines, they pop right off. Well, I guess they're supposed to be clipped on right here, the actual harness, but they were already ripped, so well. And then the hose just hooks up to the top, this top one. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I think they're all 8mm, so you need one socket. Oh, with this clip, make sure you pop that red tab up, and then you press on this part, this piece right here, the black piece. You gotta pop it up. You can't just try to clip it. You have to pop that red piece out with the little screwdriver, and then press on the tab, and then it'll pop out. You don't want to break it, so be careful. Yeah. So, yeah guys, give me that thumbs up. Let me know how I'm doing. Please subscribe. I'll put more videos up. Next video I'm going to make is going to be about the oil. Alright guys.